Hello friends, welcome back to CBA Tutorials. Today we are discussing code force around 820. So in this video I am going to discuss problem number D, that is friends and the restaurant problem, and this is like very good 3D problem. So I hope that you will enjoy the solution. So before moving to our problem, I would like to move to our sponsorship part. So this video is sponsored by Newton School, whose link is given in this description box. So please visit Newton School. So I would like to move to our problem. So that my screen is visible. So first problem discussion. So a group of N friends decide to go to a restaurant. Each of the friends plans to order meals for XI bulls and has a total YI bulls. So there are a group of people and you will have to make the and each people has YI bulls and they book food of order XI bulls. Bulls consider it as some currency, right? So I would like to tell in rupees. So let's say that he has YI rupees and he wishes to spend XI rupees, right? So the friend decide to split their visit to the restaurant into several days. So all the friends won't go on the same day, so they will divide it themselves into some groups, and each day some group of at least two friends. So a single man cannot visit the restaurant, so at least two or three or four, maybe two or greater than two people must be required. Each of the friend visit the restaurant no more than once. So at least they can visit uh, one time or zero time. They cannot visit twice. Either they visit or not visit any person. So this group must satisfy the condition that total budget of each group must not be less than the amount of bulbs that the friends in the group are going to spend. So let's say that they divided themselves into some group. So let's say there is 2%, 3%. So all the money they have and they had some expenditure. So expenditure must be less than equal to the total amount they have. So this condition you will have to satisfy. So for example, let's say that n equal to 6 and person one order 8 rupees food while he has only 5 rupees. Then second person, this is he has 3 rupees and he bought 3 rupees food. Then the cost, he has 1 and the cost or expense is 9. Then again total money he has 4 and he can spend 2 rupees. So now we will have to divide them into some groups and you will have to tell maximum number of days friends can visit. So you will have to alternatively tell that total number of max group possible, right? So they had given us a example. So they had put first and sixth. So their total expenditure is 8 plus 5 13, and their total money they have is 15. So they can be put in same group. Then they took second, this person, fourth person and fifth person. They total have, they will spend 3 plus 2 plus 4 and their total budget is 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then they are satisfied. So now I would like to move to our solution. So I would have 1 second, give me a second please. Okay. So let's consider that the let's I am writing y. So first example is 5 3 1 4 5 10 and x is, that is expense, and this is budget, right? And this is x value is 8 3 9 2 4 and 5. This value was given. So outside, let's say you are the person outside, and you want to take someone, you want to make some friendship with someone, let's say group with someone, you are also try to be there. So what you try to do, you will always try to have some person who are rich, that their expense, they have more budget and their expense are low. So total, let's say if you take, let's say you have zero money, so you can spend, if you can go with this person, then you can spend 5 rupees, right, of his budget. So anyone want to be grouped with the person who has more money, like more money left after his expense. So I am calculating money left after expense. So this will be yi minus xi. So this will be minus 3, then 0, then 8, then minus 2, then minus 1, then sorry, budget minus expense. So this will be minus 3, 0, then minus 8, then 2, then 1, then 5. So this will be total expense minus total money he has, budget minus expense, that is his saving, let's say savings. Now it is given that you will have to form team of 2 or more person, and total number of teams must be, we will have to maximize it. So let's say we can form 2-person group with having, let's say minus 5, 6 and 7 rupees. So is it feasible to group these 3 together, or if I group minus 5 and 6 only 2 people, 2-person or 3-person? So if we can group 2-person and here 3-person, so what will be better to have? We'll try to create 2-person group if they satisfy conditions, so that there is a person left, so we can maximize, right? We can put this person with another person, and our total number of teams will increase. So let's say that we had minus 3, 0, minus 8, 2, 1, 5. So I'm sorting this value. So consider minus 8, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 5, 0, 1, 2, 5. So let's consider that we can put this and this person together. We can make a team. So is it feasible to make a team with it also? No, it isn't feasible. We can make 2 can belong here, and let's say one more 0 would have been present. Then we can have 3 teams. So it is better to have 2 members team also, always. And let's say that some person will be left. So it won't matter, because if you put 2-person and 2-person and 1 left equal to 3-person in group. So better to put only 2-person, because 1 left can pair with 1 more left person, but in this case it cannot pair. So feasible answer will be to get to form 2-person group, right? So now you know that there are some savings that can be negative or positive, and there can be 2-person groups. So now we will have to find total number of groups. So moving back to our example, there was minus 8, minus 3, 0, 1, 2, 5, 0, 1, 2 and 5. So now you would like to group that has minimum negative value. Just let's consider that there are number 4 and 5. Let's consider these all are. So you always want to, let's say you are making groups, so you always try to reach it as close to 0, because that way the expenses should be uh, equivalent, or you can say that total budget, we aren't wasting more of the budget. Let's say it says their 2-person team is total budget is 100, and their which they are spending only 10 rupees, so they are saving 90 rupees. But it's better to have, let's say that there are 90 and 10. Consider these two person. So if we put these two person together, or we can take that the person having minus 80 and minus 7 together, so these two can form group, these two can form group. So it's better to always pair with the most feasible partner. So let's say minus 3 partner. So in negative value I am for each negative value I am trying to find that can their partner exist. So let's say that minus 3 partner can be 4, just greater than absolute value, just greater than. This way uh, we are not not ruling out our budget, or you can say that we are not wasting much of our budget. So 4 minus 3 we can have in a group. Then minus 8, 5 to 1 I can put 5 to 1 and minus 8 together, 5 to 1 minus 8 together. But is it necessary to put minus 8 together? Like we could have formed 1 to these 4 will make only one group, but we take two positive 1 and 2 and this will make one group. So it's better to take 1 2 as group, and this way 4 minus 3, consider these two only, right? So what is going to our my algorithm? I am taking negative number, so negative 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 positive, and I will try to partner negative to positive number, right, as much as possible, so that there is must be one partner from here, one from here, right? One from here, one from negative side, one from positive side. And let's say these two got partnered and these two got partnered. So, and let's say there are m positive number, so rest of the positive number can partner with other positive numbers. So this will be m minus, let's say there are, let's say n group found. So positive number है how many को m minus n by 2, so plus n, right? So I would like to move to our code. So what I took, I had put negative and positive in vector and then sorted them so that their absolute value sorted in the order of absolute value. Let's say there is 0 0 1 2 5, so this way, and 0 minus 3 minus 7, this way I have sorted. Negative number are these, and then I will try to make pair. 0 won't be there, so minus 3 will be paired to 5. Let's say there 10 be present, minus 7 is paired to 10, then there is minus 12, so minus 12 won't be paired to anyone. So we have found two groups and there are 4 elements left, so 4 by 2, because 2 person will form a group, 2 4 positive, and this negative number will go wasted. So I have calculated that how many negative team can be paired using this sorting, and after that, as I explained, I have found positive minus negative total number of teams by 2. So I hope that solution is clear to you. So thank you very much for watching the video. See you in next video, and I will give the code link in the description box, so you can, if you have problems, then you can look into it. But I would suggest to rather you to try implementing on your own. So thank you very much. I will see you in next video. Thank you.